Sweet dreams with my eyes wide. I don't believe in.
Hey guys, it's DestinyLashae, and today I'm going to show you guys how I get this snatched curly ponytail. So let's just get started. First, I'm going to use freshly washed blow dried hair. Then I'm going to take a rat tail comb and section off my edges. I feel like this makes like doing my ponytail process go a lot faster because my edges are already sectioned off and I don't have to pull my edges. It's just less tension on them. It's just like so much easier. So I'm going to use my Murray's Edge Wax. I remember my dad and my brother used to use this stuff and I never thought I could use it on my hair, but this helps hold my ponytail in place for days and days on end. I'm telling you, like, using this stuff is better than gel for me. It just holds my hair in place so well. So I just comb up my hair into a ponytail, and then I take some good old Pump It Up spray. This helps hold your hair in place as well. I just spray that around the perimeter, brush up my hair with a good old school boar bristle brush, and I just put my hair in a ponytail and call it a day. And I just do like my ponytail like 3 good times, and then it's tight enough for me because I just don't want so much tension on my hair. As you can see, my undercut is growing out. I actually cut it before this video, just a little bit so that it wasn't too like grown out. But yeah, so I'm going to moisturize my hair with this Afro G moisturizer cream. I've been using that for years. And then I just go ahead and braid my ponytail, and then I wrap the braided ponytail around itself to create a bun, and then I put a ponytail holder around the braided bun, and that creates like the base for our ponytail. Pretty easy. Then I go in with my Eco Styler gel, and I use a flat toothbrush that I only use for my hair. And I just start doing my baby hairs. There is a method to doing baby hairs on everyone. Everyone's head is different. Everyone's baby hairs lay differently. So, you know, do your baby hairs based on how your hairline is, and, you know, if you're relaxed, if you're natural. It just takes a different amount of effort for everyone. So I just do mine like this. I put beeswax on mine first, like I'm doing right here, and then I go in with my Eco Styler gel. It just helps my edges lay a lot longer, and I don't have to mess with them throughout the days of having my ponytail in. So yeah, this is how I do them. And I like to like hold the hair down while I'm actually swooping them over, because it helps give me that nice swoop. I can't explain it, but I don't know, it takes practice. Mine still aren't perfect, but I like how they came out. Yeah, they came out pretty cute this day. Yeah, they did. And I also do use Leilani's little old toothbrush like the second time I go in and do my baby hairs, because it just kind of helps define each little swoop, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's how it looks. I have to tie my baby hairs down. If I don't, they just go, they do whatever they want. So now it's time to add the weave. I'm going to be using Julia hair today, and this hair is gorgeous. The curl pattern looks so nice, and it just held up really nicely. It didn't get tangled easily, and my ponytail was nice, and I don't know, it just flowed really nicely. So I am going to be using a bobby pin, a closed bobby pin, and I'm going to place that bobby pin on the end of the track, and like this. And I'm just gonna put the bobby pin into my braided bun on the top. So if you've ever had the issue where you've done your ponytails with bundles and your bun shows through the ponytail, try doing it this way, because then your bun doesn't show. I find this way to be the easiest and the most efficient way to actually do your ponytails with bundles, and it's just really easy, really quick, and it's like less struggle time. Like, I'm just the simplest person when it comes down to my hair. I really don't like doing it, believe it or not, but you know, I have to. You gotta be cute sometimes. But yeah, I'm just wrapping the bundles around the bun. I just keep wrapping the hair around the bun, and eventually the bun will be covered with the hair. So this is a really easy style, and you just pin it at the end and you're good to go. Actually, you have to wrap the hair around the ponytail base. I'll show you how to do that in a second because I slept on this style and I wanted to add one more bundle to my ponytail. So this is how the hair looked on day 1 or night 1, and then this is how the hair still looked the next day. But I just felt like I needed to add more hair. What I did was I actually doubled the wefts because I'm just wrapping the hair around the base, and it just makes it a lot faster, especially with the second bundle, because you're just kind of wrapping it around the last bundle that you just put down. So that's all I'm doing, is just continuously wrapping and then pinning the hair in place. So at the end, I just take a little piece of hair, like a little section of the hair, and I use Pump It Up spray again. And I use that, spray it on the hair, brush through the hair to make sure that the hair is pretty straight and there's no knots and tangles in it. And I just add a good amount of Pump It Up to hold it in place, brush through it, making sure that there's no tangles or whatever. And then I just take that piece of hair and wrap it around the base of the ponytail so that this will cover the weft, from the track. Basically pretty simple, and you just keep brushing through it just to make sure that there's no tangles or anything, and just wrapping it around the base of your ponytail. And this just hides the track, and I think it looks a lot better too. So that's all I do. And then I don't even think I added a pin. I just kind of really wrapped that last piece of hair very tightly right underneath the hair we've been wrapping it around. So yeah, I might have added a little pin. I can't remember. Yeah, I did. Boom, there's a pin. I just added it like to the front to hold some of the hair down. So this is the finished ponytail. I have to say this is probably my favorite ponytail that I've done on myself. It's just so pretty, so curly. And another thing, I just did not feel like putting on makeup this day at all. So I was slaying in the skin. I was in, honey. Okay, but thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.